What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We're tuning in for another video, man. Starting the video from the day in the office, man, because I got a busy day. I was like, when I go outside, I already know, man, I'm not finna be thinking about cutting the camera on and stuff, because I got a super busy day. So, listen, I got to go out here and load up Dolo. I already got it turned around and all that other stuff, and I'm finna go hook the trailer up. I'm gonna get Dolo loaded up because we gotta take it to Showtime. So the object today is take it to Showtime, get back, man. I got some more stuff. I wanna try to hit the track. Man, with probably my truck or either meats. I don't know. But right now I gotta get Dolo down there to Showtime first, then get some gas and come all the way back, man. So that's the plan for the day. I'm finna go out here, get this thing loaded up, man. We're gonna get to Showtime. I probably ain't gonna record that much down there. So I'm gonna get to Showtime. And then we're gonna come back, man, and we're gonna try to get either the truck. I done had my mind made up which one I'm gonna do, man. So I'm gonna have decided. And then we're gonna see what happened, man. So we're gonna see what the day take us. But that's the plan today, man. So we got a busy day. I'm finna hit it. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. I made it down here to Showtime. Said super busy day. I made a turn though. Man. I heard the trailer hollering. I'm glad I rolled the window down. And I already knew what it was. Man. I heard the trailer. I heard the hollering when I made a turn. And then when I got on there to take the ramps off, I smelled it. I said, this Joe here done got a hub bearing. The other one now. Y'all know this what happened last time I didn't catch it. See, it just happened though. Cause that grease fresh. It just happened. Last time it was this one. Y'all know I had to change the whole axle out. So I'm finna unload the car. I'll make it back home cause I ain't got no weight on it, man. So I'm gonna see if I can jack the trailer up and then go ahead and just change the whole hub cause they ain't that bad. Put the whole hub assembly on there. Yeah, cause that just happened. So yeah, we're gonna see what it do. I might, if I had my tools here, I'd see if I could change it here, man. But cause that jump just happened, man. Ain't no grease in it. Cap done popped out last time. It got so hot, it got the spindle. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. I made it back home. 3 rim slim. I got a hub, and that Tractor Supply was terrible. Tractor Supply terrible, man. The one down here, like, look at that. That joke done came off. It has came all the way off. It has left the building. I don't know where it's at. It has left the chat, man. That hub gone. Cause we didn't take it out. Yep, that joker there done flew out somewhere. It has left the chat. I don't know where, but it's somewhere gone. But let me see. The spindle look like it probably can be saved. I'm finna take this thing loose, man. We're gonna see what we got, what we're working with. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So it's the next day. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened at the turn event. I showed y'all that clip. I had the trailer. I was trying to fix it because the plan was, y'all know, that day I was gonna shoot 2 videos. I was gonna take meats to the track and run on motor. That's why I was hurrying, and it didn't hit me to turn the camera back on, cause trailer got me real frustrated, man. the pin broke off, got wedged in between that. It just, I can't pull it. I can't get nothing to pull the pin out to get the castle nut off. So I'm like, man, I'm out here wrestling with it, fooling with it. And I got mad, man. I was like, man, I can't do it. I got frustrated. So that happened. And then I just put the trailer up. I'm like, I ain't gonna make it. I ain't gonna make it to the track. So then the next day, I get up. Little fly. I get up and try to what you finna go? I get up and wife finna head out and go to what's the name? I had a track event to go to, and I ain't got no 20s or nothing. What all you gotta get?
Chicken, whatever you want.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. But I get up the next morning early. I'm like, I'm gonna try to fix it. Try to go that day, even though it was an event. Cause I had my boy Jeremy film. Still couldn't get it. I was like, man, I'm over it, man. So I'm like, I'm just order another trailer axle. And I'm probably, honestly, I'm gonna sell the trailer. I'm gonna sell the trailer. Now look, I'm putting it out here to y'all first. I have not even posted on my Facebook. Cause if I put it on my Facebook, I already know it's gonna get gone, man. Still get gone on Facebook. Especially if I put it on my Jmalcom 2004 page. But I will sell the trailer like it is now. You probably can get a hub on it. Somebody get that castle nut out, you probably can get a hub on it. The spindle don't look that bad. And I got a hub, but I'm gonna take it back. I got a hub assembly, I'm gonna take it back though. To get an axle. $340 for the whole tire axle. Like, why not? It got one brand new one in it. If you remember, you go back and look at the vlog, y'all see new axles, new leaf springs, everything, man. The whole axle come with leaf springs, new U-bolts. It come everything on it, ready to bolt in. So I got one new one. Then you get another new one, you'll be good to go. Now, if somebody want to buy it like that, man, I sell it for $1,800. Now I put it in there. I'm gonna want 22. I'm gonna want 2,200 for it. It's an 18-foot open floor trailer. Y'all saying it's a great trailer. All the lights and everything work on it. It's a good trailer, man. I said 2,200, man. I sell it. If I put the new axle in it, you can get it for 22. But nah, hold on, I ain't doing right. 23. I'm sorry, yeah, 23. 2,300 if I put that new axle in it, cause I gotta add tax and stuff. Or you can get it for 18. You can get it for 18, man, and then you'll save yourself a couple $100. If you go get the axle from your own place, somebody might have a hookup on the axles and can get them for cheap. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna have that sale. That's what happened, man. But y'all see, I got meats backed up, man. I'm probably washing and still washing them up. But and probably take my tire back off too. Y'all see, I got meats. I'm probably gonna take them put my street tire back on for right now. But Dolo still gone. He's down there at showtime. I think actually he's supposed to mess with it today. And like I said, we're getting the converter switched out. Is what's getting done with Dolo, cause y'all know last time. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I took it and I sprayed it. I sprayed Dolo with that new converter. That's the first time I sprayed it. I sprayed it on wheels, and it blew through the converter. It just blew through the converter, man. Blowing through the converter means, cause I know y'all done heard that. Let me teach y'all something. So how do you tell if nitrous is blowing through the converter? Or you can blow through the converter on motor. If a converter more catered toward nitrous, you can blow through it on motor. So the way you tell is once you activate the nitrous, if you know when you shift gears, the RPM hand's supposed to drop. When you shift gears, sometimes 500 RPM might drop 300, but you're supposed to see a drop. Shift light comes on, you shift, RPM hand drop. All right, when you blowing through the converter, when you shift, the RPM hand it barely drop. It might drop 50 or 100 RPM. So basically, it's gonna keep your shift light on all the time. So, you know, when you shifting and then the shift light staying on, it blowing through the converter. So that's what happened with Dolo. Activated, it blowing through bad. Boom, activated nitrous, first gear, RPM, you know, boom, instantly come on. And this was light. This was a super light ramp, man. It wasn't even a ramp, man. It was just flat all the way across because it was on wheels. And I was like, man, I'm finna take a lot of power out of it just to be safe. So I took a lot of power out of it. And man, boom, shifted, RPM hand, went up, shift light on, shifted the second, RPM hand stayed like, boom, dropped like 80 RPM. Light still on, shifted again, third gear, light still on. So that's blowing through the converter bad. Like the light never went off, man. It never went off. So I said, nah, this ain't it. This ain't converter. I could have sent it off and had it cut open and respline, but I like, man, I'm not finna do that. I'm gonna go back to what I had, and I know what works for right now into my custom converter. Cause I'm telling y'all, I ain't even got a custom converter right now. Cause the whole thing for Dolo was to keep everything off the shelf parts, no custom nothing. And for the most part, it is like that. It's only thing gonna be custom is converter car. It's just what it is. I got to have it. I got to have it to use a trans brake. I got to have it to be super efficient on nitrous car. It's a nitrous engine. That's what I spec. I spec the engine for nitrous. Dolo is Meach is a nitrous engine too, man. Both of them is catered toward nitrous. And they get down on motor cause they make power. When you make power, you make power. You know, when you combo right, it right. So, you know, I think I know, like I said, they more catered toward that, but like I said, when you combo right, it right, man. So that what going on with Dolo. So, you know, I wouldn't be able to use the nitrous with that converter in there. And you know, it was gonna blow through the converter the day we went to the track. Me and Chucky was gonna run, man. I know it left. It left now. We're finna get up out of there. But it was gonna blow through the converter. It was gonna blow through the converter bad too. So that's what going on. That's why I said showtime. So we're gonna put the converter back in there. Now I'm not gonna be able to use a trans brake, but I'll be able to use my nitrous. My nitrous gonna be more efficient. They're more important to me. Cause my car still get down on the foot brake. So I can still launch. I got a nice 60 foot on the foot brake still. So I'm like, okay, I can do away with that until my custom converter come back and get done. Then when it come in, I'm gonna pop it in, and then I have that problem right there just done, like trans brake and nitrous, everything. So hopefully within a couple of days from y'all seeing this, y'all will see Dolo back, and we'll have the right converter. I bet it spread, and I take it back and spray it on the wheels again, whatever. Which, don't get me wrong, it was rolling, cause I just sprayed it to the 330, and then I got off of it and went on motor car. It went through the converter so bad. I shifted the gear so fast, trying to see if it gonna calm down as I went to high gear, but the light stayed on, so it kept blowing through the converter, and I just came off the throttle. So to turn the nitrous off, and I just went the rest of the track and on motor, which I said it still went a good number. So I know what it gonna do when I put the other converter back in there and then get it straight. So yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, that's to give y'all an update on that. Like I said, I had the trailer jump happen, man. Y'all see it's at showtime. I have it back in a couple of days. It probably done now at the time I'm doing this and all that. But yeah, man, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.